computer. Okay, we're gonna move on chapter 6, which is data deduplication. So when you say dedup, it's a feature of a server which help reduce the impact of redundant data. Okay? So yung mga doubling data within the same storage environment, it will be removed. No? Let's say, for example, we have about a file na 5 megabyte. Okay? Then may duplicate lang siya. No? So that will be reduced. Okay? So data dedupe optimize free space and volume by examining volume. So this is happen on a volume level, okay? And it will look for duplicated portion. So once we have a duplicated portion, he will create the master, no? The master file, and the one attached to it using yung journal link will be removed. So duplicated portion of volume dataset are normally saved or stored once. And normally, ang dedupe, i-compress niya yan. Okay? So magugulat kayo mamaya, from 5 megabyte, lumiit siya. No? Liliit siya. Hence, we can save a lot of space. So yun lang naman yung concept niya, daling intindihin. No? Then we have a lot of commands. You will be able to answer this examination question once you finish the lesson. No? So ano yung mga proper commands sa PowerShell? How do you display the dupe status? No? So get the dupe status or something. No? So for now, hindi pa natin siya gagamitin. So use case, meaning saan ginagamit? No? User documents, yung mga Office, Excel, PowerPoint, no? So 30 to 50% kaya niya i-compress. Yung mga file share, file server, 80%. Yung mga VMDK, no? Let's say meron kayong VMware and meron din kayong mga VHD, no? For Microsoft, they can compress up to 95%. And yung file share, no? Up to 60%. Okay, so you should consider the dupe in the following scenario. Ito yung mga scenarios naman. File share, yung file server. For example, home folders, work folders, and software installers. Okay? Then yung mga VDI, the one I mentioned, yung mga VHD and VMDK. Kasi mga gigabyte yan, laking size yan. Eh, no? And if you have a backup, okay, pati yung backup kayang i-dedupe, meaning i-compress. So what's the command? DDP eval. Okay? So, let's say your workload have enough duplication benefit. Hindi, how will you find out pala kung may duplication benefit, no? So, you need to evaluate by running DDP eval. Okay? Then, yung second question dito, will data dedupe affect performance? Okay? Keep in mind na ginagawa lang nito is ko-compress lang niya. Okay? Less kung sa performance, depende. Kasi once you compress the file, it need to be decompressed before you can open. Okay? So may mga term dito, terminology na you need to understand. So when you say chunk, okay? So china-chunk niya. So meron siyang special algorithm to compress or delete multiple duplicate copy. Chunk store naman, organized in a simple container. So, meron siyang lalagyan. Okay? Chunk store, it's for the time being, doon niya ilalagay yung temporary file. Dedupe, it's an abbreviate used for PowerShell command. So, we're gonna be using the dedupe command. Metadata, pag sinabing metadata, it's a data about the data. Let's say, meron akong JPEG, no? Let's say, smiley.jpg. Ano metadata nun? Yung information nun. Let's say, ano yung geolocation? Ano yung XY coordinates? Kailan mo kinunan yung picture? 4 p.m. No, kaya sa picture pa lang, you can tell saan kinunan. Let's say, sa QC. Lalabas yun. Quezon City, no, circle. Lalabas yun kasi may metadata. Okay? File stream naman, main content of the file. So let's say JPEG format, it's a picture. Okay? File system naman, whether NTFS or FAT. Filter, meron siyang plug-in. No? How do you open the file? Optimization, meaning, ibig sabihin nito is the process of chunking a file and storing sa chunk store. Okay? So meaning, compressing yan. Optimization is about compressing. No? Then meron ditong policy, 3 kinds of policy. No? I-explain ko later. And reparse point, ito yung point that you can go back. Okay, let's say chinunk mo 100 gig, naging 10 gig na lang. Pero you need to go back to the original size. No? Re-reparse mo siya. No? Volume naman, it's a construct for logical storage. Storage lang siya, lalagyan lang siya. Let's say, drive E. No? Drive C, volume yun. Pero hindi ka pwede mag-run sa volume C. Hindi mo pwedeng i-dedupe yun. Okay? So sa examination, may question. Can you run dedupe on drive C? Volume C? Ano answer? No. Okay, 10 points yan. Tandaan nyo, hindi pwedeng ma-dedupe ang C. Papakita ko mamaya yan. Workload naman, ano yung process na niraran mo sa server? Okay? 2016, he can run dedupe larger than 64 tera. Okay? Laki, no? It also support nano. And kung napakalaki ng backup mo, this is one best way to optimize. So let's say solution architect kayo. So tinanong ka, Chris, meron kami 10 terabyte of backup. Napakalaki. No? 16 hours bago matapos. Run backup 6 p.m. Matatapos alas 12 kinabukasan. So babagal ang network niya. No? So ano gagawin mo? Ano gagawin mo? Ano sasuggest mo as a solution engineer? You will run dedupe. Sir, baka naman napadaming duplicate ng file. Okay? Run natin dedupe. Okay? Poging-pogi kayo nun pag nasolve yung problema na yun. Okay? So ito na yung lab natin. Punta tayo. Napakadali lang tong dedupe na to. So ito yung how do you install dedupe. We're gonna be using a wizard. Okay? So go to server manager wizard, server roles. Go to file and iSCSI, data dedupe. Okay? That's it. Tapos na. Or, we can run this PowerShell. I would suggest, run nyo yung PowerShell for simpler reason. So, meron akong server dito. So, kaninong server gagamitin ko? Gamitin ko muna yung number 4. So, meron tayong MCSA, course, MCSA, RDP. Gamitin ko muna itong number 4. Kaya bang i-open to? Patay pa pala eh. Number 3, hiramin ko muna, no? Kung kanino man yung number 3 servers na yan. So we have server 1, which is the Active Directory. Server 2, member ng AD. And 3 and 4, no? So, I'm gonna log into server number 4 for testing purpose only. So, meron tayong shortcut na RDP. Double-click mo lang yan. And then, it will automatically open, no? So, nag-RDP lang ako dito. So, conventional way is add remove program. No? Ideally, dapat hindi ganun. So, mas maganda PowerShell talaga. No? So, I'm gonna be running PowerShell. Type nyo lang ICE. No? Na-explain ko na yung ICE. No? Ano uli ICE? Integrated Shell Environment. Uy, daming ginawa niya. Daming volume. No? So, hiramin ko muna to. Didelete ko rin ulit. Okay? So, meron siyang drive E. Drive E. Ayan, siguro kitang-kita niyo na lahat yan. Ha?
Hindi makita, sir.
Ha?
Hindi nakita.
Kita na? Kita na?
Hindi. Yung ano yung nakikita, yung...
Ay! Yung kabilang screen ng nakashare. Sandali Oo nga no, ba't ganun? Share. Share.
Yun.
Kita na? Okay, good. Then, since it's very small, I'm gonna adjust into full screen so everyone can see. So, ganito lang. Adjust nyo lang ganun. Full screen. Tapos. Okay. So, this is server number 4. Nasa 4 ako nagde-demo ako yan. Server number 4. Yan. Siguro kita nyo na lahat. So, how do you find out kung naka-install na ang dedupe? The command will be get Windows feature. Okay? Windows feature. Then, redirect the output to a file named T. Okay, then let's open up yung output using Notepad T. Ito. So ito yung mga roles and feature, no? So as of now, walang Active Directory to kasi nasa server 1 eh. No? Wala din siyang DHCP server, walang DNS. So once you see X, that means installed. So installed ang file server. Pero data dedupe is not. Kita niya? Diba hindi? So we're gonna install. So how do you install? Kukunin mo tong feature name. Then the command will be install -Windows feature. Then the feature name which is fs data deduplication. Ganun lang. Okay? Napakasimple. So ito na. Okay, install na natin ang dedupe. So it's currently collecting information. It started the installation, 24% na. 68%. So it's just installing the feature, 88%. Tapos, so this is the code. Success ang ating installation. Do we need to start? No. What did we install? Data dedupe. Okay, ganun lang pag find out. And then anybody, I would like to verify kung na-install na yung feature. Anong command ulit? Get Windows feature. Okay, ganun na. In-output ko ulit. Then let's open up the output. Notepad T. Okay? Cursor up, cursor down lang. Hanapin na natin yung feature. Diba data dedupe? Kanina, diba walang X to? Oh, success installation. Wala pang 1 minute. Tapos na. Okay, ganun lang pag-check ha. So I've shown you before and after installation ng feature. Okay? Now, we're gonna be using the feature. So we have...
Sir, question.
Sige, go ahead.
Anong stand ng T?
T-file
This,
yan. File yan. Diyan ko lang nilagay yung output ko. So ayan, may E tayo. I'm gonna show you gaano kalaki tong E na to. Okay, so as of now, take note natin, 49 gigabyte. Laki kasi nandito yung VMDK niya eh. 49,602. 602. Megabyte lang pala to. 560. Malinaw Ito yung size. Papaliitin natin yan. Okay, 49,602, 560. Or 47.3 megabyte. Malinaw malinaw. Okay. Tara, so we have a project. So nandito yung project natin. I'm gonna give this one to you. Si Sir Janiel Nacion, alam na niya to nagawa na niya to before. So, courses, MSCSA, data dedupe. So I'm using the old lab namin. So na-lab na namin to So yung ginawa kong command. 6. Ayun pala. Edit. Control C. Onto the server. Open up this script pane. Then paste the script. Okay? So ito yung ginawa ko. Nag-install muna ako. That's the first thing I did. Okay. Then enable natin yung volume. Okay? So the command is enable dedupe. Pansinin nyo, hindi lumalabas yung command. That means it's not fully loaded. Yun, lumabas na. So you have to wait, no? Dedupe volume. Then we're gonna dedupe volume E, since we have E. Yan, okay. So enabled na. As of now, enabled na. As of now, 0 byte ang save natin. Later on, that will increase. Now, how will you view and set the volume wide settings? So, get, this is the command, dedupe volume E. Display natin So, meaning format list. Ano ibig sabihin ng format list? Display. Okay. Star, display all. Uy, Typo error. Typo. Ingat kayo. So pag nakakita kayo ng error, yan. Check nyo kung tama spelling. So usually, typo lang yan. Okay, tapos. So ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? So as of now, tandaan na, take note ko na nga to. Unoptimized 49 MB. Okay? Use space. So use space yan, ha? Malinaw. So still consistent with our information. Unoptimized 49 MB. Okay? Tama yung data natin. Hindi na pa na-optimize. So ilan ang kinain? 49 MB nga eh. Okay? So ito na. So we're gonna set drive E to be dedupe. Optimize. Optimize na natin. Okay? Then we need to manually run the job. How do you run? The command is start, dedupe, job. Anong klaseng job? Pines ko space bar, we have 4 type of jobs. First, optimization. When you say optimization, compress. Okay? Garbage collection, yung mga recycle bin, lilinisin niya. Scrubbing, it will be remove naman. Unoptimize, ito yung reparse point. Meaning, babalik sa dati. Tatanggalin ng optimization. Okay? Optimize ko. Sino yung optimize ko? Volume. Anong volume ulit? Anybody? E. Okay? Then, we're gonna set the priority to high. High means do it now. Now na. And then, we're gonna utilize a memory of at least 100 megabytes. Okay? And we're gonna assign the core, how much CPU. We're gonna assign 100 megahertz then. So dito, meron siya intelligent way of resource settings. So how did we do it? Memory 100 meg and cores 100 then. Okay? Okay, optimization manual, progress 0. Okay, naka-queue up siya. Now, how do you verify kung running ang job? E di, get, dedupe, job. Let's verify. Tandaan nyo, 0 ha, 0%. Get dedupe. Okay, get dedupe. Wala lumalabas, i-status natin. Status, get dedupe. Status, format list. Ano ibig sabihin ng format list? Ililist niya lahat ng available header. Okay, finormat niya. Okay, yan. Finormat list ko na. Okay, so tingnan niyo. One, optimize file 1. So, may in-optimize siya. Okay? So, nakasave daw siya ng 41 something. Okay, nakatipid siya ng 41 something. He saved space of at least, tingnan natin, 4 megabyte. Natipid niya. Okay, tandaan natin nakatipid siya ng 4 megabyte. Try to imagine kung 10 terabyte yan, di ba? Ano matitipid mo? Mga gigabyte. Okay, 4 megabyte na. Saving rate 2%. Okay? Then you can set the schedule if you want, no? Magra-run 'yan on a scheduled date. And then if you want to remove the dedupe, the command is an optimization. So how do you optimize? Anong command? Anybody? Si Jmar? Si Bernard. Bernard, what's the command to optimize? Start the dedupe job minus type. Optimization. Yung kanina, yung sinabi ko, di ba? So kung gusto mo i-start ulit, let's say pinatay mo na, dedupe job, type, optimization. Yun. Okay? Okay, ano uling garbage collection? Removal of items from the garbage. No? Unoptimization, papatayin mo. Okay? Kung ayaw mo, ibabalik mo yan. Scrubbing, clean up yan. Okay? Malinaw ba ang dedupe?
Yes, sir.
Nakalinis na tayo ng file. Ngayon, tingnan natin size, ha? Tingnan natin ulit. Sa tandaan nyo, a while ago, 49 megabyte, ha? Or 47, okay? Tingnan na natin. Si drive E. Sa name file. Kung pansin niyo lumaki kasi nag-save pa siya ng isang yung data store niya eh. Meron siyang data store. Yung tinatawag na reparse point. O, ayan no. Tingnan mo naman. Di ba kanina ano yan? Tingnan mo. Grabe. Lalong lumiit pa. Naging 4 megabyte na. Di ba kanina 47 yan? Okay? Naging 4 megabyte na lang. Okay? Laking tipid niya. Ito, dito magtataka kayo. Paano nangyayari yan? Tingnan mo. Bubuksan ko to. Okay? Yun, no? 4 meg na lang. Pansinin nyo. Sir, bakit 0 bytes? Oh. Diba? Nag-0. Sa size on disk, nawala siya. Kasi nilagay siya sa dedup store. Okay? Tinambak siya doon. No? So, 0 bytes. Kanina may laman yan. Ba't naging 0? Nilagay dito sa gumawa siya ng store niya. Hidden nga yun. Hindi mo makikita yan. Hidden kasi siya. Okay? Okay, any question about data dedup?
Ay, sir, question po.
Okay.
Sir, sa deduplication, sir, di ba, kanyari, in-enable mo na yung features niya? Kanyari, in-enable mo siya sa volume E. Hindi siya automatic na every time na mag-a-add ka ng files doon, automatic niyang i-optimize.
Ano siya, nag-dump ka na? Hindi, ang enable mo, the whole volume.
The whole volume.
Oh,
so
the moment na mag-dump
every
ka
time ba na
meron siyang schedule na mag-optimize. O-optimize niya yan.
Okay. So, may schedule siyang pag-optimize niya. Hindi na yung kailangan mo siyang i-run every time yung command.
I-run. Yes, no need. Okay. Remember this one? Mag-i-sked ka. No? Pag yan naka-enable false, hindi yan pag nag-dump ka ng file, hindi naka-schedule, hindi magko-compress.
Okay, sir.
Papapalitan
so, portion mo, sir, ilalagay yung ano?
Yan.
Scheduling pala, sir. Sorry. So, malalagay yung scheduling.
Ito, run mo lang to. Enable mo na yung scheduling. So, run mo na siya. Ganun.
Wait na. Sir. Parang di namin nakikita yung... Okay, yan pala.
Yan. Okay? So, may typo dito. So, ano yung typo ko? Run ko nga ulit. True.
Okay, ayan.
Optimization. Mali. And enable mo na yung schedule. Okay? So, run mo na yung schedule. Ito na nga. Ayan. So, run mo muna to and then gawin mong true. And then, balikan mo. Let's say, dump ka ng 10 gigabyte. No? O, ayan. 10 gigabyte. Ayan. So, naka-schedule tong optimization in the background. Okay? Then, yung garbage collection, magde-delete ng mga deleted file. Saturday, 2:45. And mag-i-scrub siya 3:45 madaling araw. Lagi madaling araw. Okay? Actually, running na yung optimization. So,
okay. Ano yung default yan, sir?
Yes.
Yung oras na yan. Default yan.
Hindi, kasi yan yung time ko. Kung titingnan mo yung time ko, yan yung time ko ngayon eh. So, tatype ko yung time. Ayun 2:33. So, madaling araw niya i-sked after 12 hours. Hindi ka kasi pwede mag-run ng scrubbing during production, di ba? So, very intelligent siya. Nag-decide siya ng madaling araw. Okay?
So, nung niran mo yung command na yan, sir, yung ginawa niyang schedule niya is kung ano yung current na oras mo ngayon.
Yes.
So, i-repeat niya yan every 2:45 niya, 2:45. Sa 2:45 ulit siya
Saturday. Weekly lang yan. Weekly.
Saturday. Weekly
once a week. Yeah, intelligent, ano?
Pero pwede ka, sir, mag-set.
Setting, accept mo na lang itong suggested schedule niya. Kasi kung set mo, ba magkamali ka ba kung araw. Maganda na yung madaling araw, Sabado. Walang tao niya. Okay?
Correct, sir. Every 12 hours automatic.
Hindi, weekly lang. Once a week lang yan. Wag everyday kasi baka masira naman yung hard drive mo. Okay? So how do you remove? Uninstall. Then reboot. Okay? The moment na iganyan ko, magre-reboot niya mag-isa. Tapos na. Remove na. Okay? So don't forget to uninstall ha. Don't forget to uninstall. Kasi kung nagra-run in the background, babagal yung PC ninyo. Lalo na daming VMDK. Okay? So it's removing the dedup. And then magre-reboot yan mag-isa para gonna go back to its original setting. Ayan, restart. Wala na akong ginawa, di ba? Ganda ng PowerShell. Very automated. Okay? Tapos. Okay, good luck. Any question? So, siguro 15 minutes lang to, no? Bigay ko na sa inyo to. So, time now 4:34. And then, after 15 minutes, hoping tapos na, no? Data dedup. Ito, paste na natin dito.
Sir Chris,
Yeah.
may schedule po ba bukas?
Yeah, meron tayo.
Po?
Meron.
Anong oras po? Same time din
Same
bukas?
day na.
Sige sir. Join na lang po ko siguro sir bukas. Nasa work lang po. We need to deploy lang sir something.
Oo. Remember last, na to ng session? Wala na tayong sa session to. Hindi ko alam kasi matatanggal na yung MCSE by January. So,
Opo.
I'm not sure kung may kasunod pa. No?
Pero last sir bukas, tama po?
Yes, last day na natin tomorrow.
Sige sir. Join po ako bukas sir.
Okay, sige.
Sige sir. Thank you po.
Thank you. So, asa na yung data? Ang dami ko kasing folder. Version 2. Send ko sa Skype. Excuse me. So, I'm gonna send sa Skype. Kung hindi kayo Skype, kung wala kayo dito, add nyo ako. Na? Same din yan. Ayun, ba't naging 10? So, this is actually project number 6. 6. So, that's the in PowerShell, open up using ICE. Okay? So, ayan. So, sino hindi naka-add dito? Wala yan. Sino hindi naka-add sa Skype? What's my IP.com? So, this is my IP. So, region, Australia, New South Wales, Sydney. No? Sydney tayo. And then, ito na yung access ninyo. Support 3361 kay Jmar. And then, kay Bernard 62. And then kay Robin 63. Ganun, ano? And naka-on na lahat ng server niya. In-on ko na. Okay, good luck. Time for sa akin, 2:37 na sa inyo, na?
Same IP pa rin, sir? Yung sinend mo last time, sir?
Hindi, iba na yun. Paiba-iba. Paiba-iba pare. So, 2:40 p.m. na ngayon. 2:55 tapos na. Sige, gawin na 20 minutes. 3 p.m. tapos na. Lab ninyo para kung may question kayo, we can be able to discuss. Okay? 2:40 to 3 p.m. 20 minutes. Na-send ko na. Any question? Okay, since wala na, I'm gonna stop the recording. Stop recording.